Hello everyone, I'm Manisha Sinha. Welcome you to the video made for class 4. Students, today we will going to discuss a new chapter, chapter 4, more on Microsoft Word 2016, part 1. Students, Word 2016 is a word processor that helps you to create documents with a professional outlook. It not only provides the facility to type and modify the text, but also offers features to enhance the overall appearance of the text. You can find and replace the text, set the page appearance as per your need, and also preview a document before printing it. Today we will going to discuss a topic, copy formatting to another selection. We already have learnt in the Word how to type and how to do the editing work in the text inside our Word document. The Format Painter tool is used to copy and apply text formatting and some basic graphics formatting such as border and fills to another selection. To do so, here are the steps. Select the text or the graphics whose formatting you want to copy. Click on the Format Painter button in the Clipboard group on the Home tab. The pointer changes into brush shape. Now apply the copied format by dragging the brush over the desired text. The formatting attributes of the previous text will be applied to the selected text. Let me show it through an example. Here is a Word document. As you can see, to format, we have to select a text first. Let us select a text like this and click on the Format Painter button on the Clipboard group in the Home tab, and then drag to the text where we want to apply that the effect. You can see the mouse changes into brush style. Easily we can copy whatever the font it has been used and the color of the font over here. Let me show you through another example. Here we will copy again like this. If we want to format, we will copy this and again click on the Format Painter button. Mouse changes into brush style, and now drag on the area where we want to apply that formatting effect. This is how we can easily copy the formatting effect from one selection to the another selection. So thank you very much. Thank you for joining. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Stay safe and stay healthy.